How to sign up for Venmo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can sign up for Venmo, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to sign up for Venmo, it means that you basically need to create an account, and for that you need to have a registered mobile number on the US, and you also need to have some other details in order to start with the verification processes and so on. And just like Cash App, Venmo is also another money application that helps you transfer money from one app to another or from one account to another in a seamless manner. The very first thing, as I said, you want to make sure is that you have updated or downloaded the Venmo app to the latest version, and you can do this by launching your respective app store and in the search box typing in Venmo, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. And once you have updated the Venmo application, you want to simply go over and then open it up. Now if you already do have a Venmo account, then you can just tap on the login option from the bottom, enter your phone number, email or username and your password in order to sign into your account. If you forgot your password, you could tap on the forgot your password button. But since you're new to Venmo and then you're trying to create a new account, well, in that case what you need to do is just tap on the option called create account, right? So you want to select that whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. Once you select the type of account that you would like to create, you just need to tap on the option that says get started. And as you tap on the get started button, the next step is to simply enter your registered phone number. So you also want to make sure that you have access to this phone number, because if you do not have access, it is going to send you a verification code later on, and if you're not being able to verify it, then you will not be able to create an account in that way. So make sure you have your verification code with you. Once you do that, it will ask you to enter the email and username, and you will have successfully signed up for Venmo in that way. And that's all it takes to sign up for Venmo and then create an account in a relatively easy manner. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.